Hello everyone, in this video I will show you 3 things about this watch Casio DW9052 that is not so secret but not many people know. And the first one is the LCD check. To do that, you can press 3 buttons at the same time, adjust mode and start stop like this. And it will show the LCD check screen. And then press start stop button again. It will show this program code. Again start stop. It will show this LCD screen. Again this LCD check screen, and then it will return to the timekeeping mode. The next one is the flash alert. It will give backlight flashes for the countdown timer and the alarm. To activate flash alert, you can press and hold the start stop button like this, and it will show this icon flash alert. And how it will work, so let me show you. If I use the countdown timer, so this one I set only 5 seconds and I press the start stop. Okay, it starts. So what will happen? Okay, the backlight flashes like this. If you want to deactivate the flash alert, return to the timekeeping mode. So press mode button until you are in the timekeeping mode, and then press and hold the start stop button until the icon disappears. And now it's not active anymore. The next function is countdown auto repeat, and to activate that, easy. First you go to the timer mode. So now I press the mode button and it's in the TR or timer mode, and then press the adjust button. Okay, and then press the G button or the light button. Now it shows this one auto, which means auto repeat is active. And to deactivate, you can just press again the light button like this. Okay, and done. And to exit from this adjust mode, just press the adjust button once more, and done. Okay, that's all for the 3 functions that's not so secret but not many people know for this watch Casio DW9052. Hopefully this is useful, and see you again in the next video. Bye.